Welcome to Research Hub. In this video, we will discuss how to adjust table automatically in Microsoft Word. So let's follow these easy steps. Okay, first, select your specific table, then go to the Layout tab. Alright, in the Layout tab, click on the Outfit option. In the Outfit option, there are further 3 options. First is the Outfit Contents, second is the Auto-Fit Windows, and the last is Fix Column Width. So, click on first option, Auto-Fix Contents. As you click on it, you can see that it has been adjusted automatically. Okay, you can see the difference before and after the table. There were unwanted spaces in the table. After adjustment, all unnecessary spaces has been removed, so, in this way, you can adjust the table text automatically. I hope this video will help you in adjusting your table contents. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel.